Simon, talking about renovation, you were one of the first to start, or were the first to start in the country very early into the lockdown, or maybe not even an official lockdown in the UK yet. Can you explain a bit how, when, and why that decision was made?
Yeah, sure. So initially, we've been working for the last 12 months on getting a complete reconstruction in the stadium, because the sub base in the pitch, the irrigation, the undersoil heating system's 18 years old. So it needed a freshen up. The Deso system was coming up to 10 years old. So we've been planning for 12 months now to get a program in place to have a complete reconstruction. And literally we have that signed off, start pinning down the details, and then all of a sudden the season finishes. So next best option is, how can we get this pitch through another season? So we decided early doors, literally it was before the lockdown was announced in this country, that we had to do something. And could we renovate a pitch in March, because we generally don't do that, with, you know, and that's got its own challenges. So nighttime temperatures are -2 degrees, so it's a little bit different to growing in June. So that was the sort of idea. So for the first time ever in the growing for us, we use germination sheets, because we generally don't do that. We'll just leave it to grow itself in. But it's another tool, so that the undersoil heating, all tools that we use that we wouldn't normally in a growing.
And it was the exact same renovation you would have done, say, at the end of May or the start of June, like normal.
Yeah, exactly the same. So literally everything out, scratched out, sanded, seeded. Literally, it was a summer renovation, but 3 months, 4 months early.